In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner for recurring tasks. Whether you're managing a team project or simply want to streamline your personal to-dos, setting up recurring tasks in Microsoft Planner can help keep you organized and on track. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently set this up. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Planner. Once you see the official Microsoft Planner link, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Planner homepage. Here, you'll need to sign into your account. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find that you're automatically signed in. If not, simply type in your email address, followed by your password to access your account. After signing in, you'll want to open your specific plan within Microsoft Planner. A plan is essentially a board where you can organize all your tasks. Now, navigating to the board where you want to add a recurring task, click to add a new task. The option to add a task is typically marked clearly, allowing you to easily locate it and start creating your task. Once you've added your new task, click on the task card to open its details pane. This is where the magic happens. The Task Details pane is the hub of your task where you can input and modify all the necessary details. Within the Details pane, there's a field labeled Repeat. This feature is crucial for setting up a recurring task. Usually located towards the middle of the Details pane, the Repeat field allows you to specify how often you'd like this task to recur. Click on this field, and you'll see multiple recurrence options available. You have several default choices like daily, weekdays, weekly, monthly, and yearly. If none of these options perfectly fit your needs, you can select the Custom option. This allows you to tailor the recurrence pattern more precisely. For instance, setting the task to repeat every few weeks on a specific day that suits your schedule. Customization is particularly useful if you have a project or task that doesn't align with traditional intervals. Once you've chosen the most suitable recurrence option, your task is all set up to recur automatically. This is particularly helpful in alleviating the stress of remembering repetitive duties, enabling you to focus on more novel endeavors. By automating these repeat tasks, you save time and enhance productivity. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create recurring tasks in Microsoft Planner. With these tasks seamlessly scheduled, you're on your way to more organized and efficient task management. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time.